Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
In the heart of sun-drenched agricultural fields, the Vault of Civilization team and their distinctive yellow uniforms begins the meticulous process of planting watermelon seeds in perfectly aligned soil beds, establishing the foundation for premium juice production. And close-up inspection reveals the careful hands of our uniformed team members gently patting the soil over each seed, ensuring optimal contact for germination, while the Vault of Civilization logo proudly adorns their chests, after which state-of-the-art automated irrigation systems spring to life, spraying a fine, life-giving mist across the vast green fields, nurturing the newly planted seeds with precisely measured water delivery. And then, team members in their bright yellow uniforms kneel among the rows, inspecting the tiny green watermelon sprouts as they emerge, carefully checking each leaf's health and development, followed by the application of premium organic nutrients to the soil by our dedicated crew, ensuring each watermelon plant receives the essential nourishment needed for optimal growth and fruit production. And the camera glides low over the field to capture the watermelons rapidly growing larger and turning a vibrant striped green under the warm sun, while team members tap the large watermelons to check for ripeness, smiling with satisfaction as they confirm the fruits are ready for harvest. After which the yellow uniform team carefully cuts the heavy watermelons from the vines and stacks them gently into field crates, protecting the precious fruit from damage. And then a forklift operated by a team member loads the crates of freshly harvested watermelons onto a clean transport truck, which departs from the lush fields, heading straight toward a massive high-tech mega factory, where the truck arrives at the receiving dock, and watermelons are unloaded onto a fast-moving conveyor belt, moving directly into a high-pressure water jet system that thoroughly washes and sanitizes the outer skin of the tumbling fruit, followed by mechanized, soft-bristle brushes that scrub every surface to ensure zero dirt remains before processing begins. And then, the clean watermelons pass under an automated laser scanner that instantly checks for internal quality and density, ensuring only premium fruit proceeds, after which giant stainless steel blades safely slice each watermelon into large, uniform halves in a single swift motion, revealing the vibrant red interior, and an advanced mechanical scooper perfectly separates the juicy red flesh from the green outer rinds, while the bright green rinds are separated and funneled into a recycling chute for eco-friendly composting, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability. And the rich, red watermelon chunks drop into a high-capacity industrial crushing chamber where heavy-duty stainless steel presses crush the fruit, instantly extracting fresh, vibrant red watermelon juice, which flows through a multi-stage microfiltration system to remove any unwanted pulp or stray seeds, leaving a brilliantly clear liquid that enters a rapid flash pasteurization unit to eliminate bacteria while locking in natural flavors. And the pasteurized juice is instantly piped into a state-of-the-art cooling chamber to preserve its fresh taste, while on a parallel conveyor line, sterilized empty glass bottles move rapidly in single file toward the filling station, where high-speed automated nozzles fill each bottle with the exact measurement of cold watermelon juice without a single spill. And then a mechanical capping machine seals every bottle airtight with a secure branded lid, after which the sealed bottles pass through a labeling machine that perfectly applies the sleek product label around the glass, and robotic arms carefully lift and organize the finished juice bottles into sturdy cardboard shipping boxes, which move through an automated tape sealing machine and are stacked onto heavy shipping pallets. And finally, a forklift moves the loaded pallets directly into a refrigerated shipping container to maintain absolute freshness. The container door locks shut, and the delivery truck drives off to distribute the premium watermelon juice worldwide, completing the remarkable journey from farm to bottle with the unwavering quality and excellence that defines the Vault of Civilization brand.
Production in this captivating documentary that takes you from sun-drenched farms where the Vault of Civilization team plants each seed with care through the advanced high-tech factories where cutting-edge machinery transform millions of watermelons into premium all-round development that delivers this fresh beverage to consumers worldwide. Witness the perfect blend of tradition, farming, expertise, and modern manufacturing innovation as our dedicating team in distinctive yellow uniform demonstrates unwavering commitment to quality at every single stage, from careful harvesting and rigorous quality control to stage of the art processing, pasteurization, and packaging. This fascinating behind the scenes looks reveal the incredible precision, technology, and passion that goes into every single bottle of water civilization watermelon juice, showcasing why our brands stands for excellence, purity, and freshness into every sip. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to this video to enjoy this incredible method. Subscribe to the water civilization and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update and how to be effective towards the civilization outcomes. That then see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.